Hi guys, I hope you're having an amazing day today. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of September. I cannot believe it's already the September bag. My bag is actually kind of late, but I still wanted to share it with you guys. And I wanted to play with some makeup. So my makeup is not all done. Today I'm going to show you what I got in my bag, and I'm also going to try out, I think every single item. Yes, I'm going to try everything out. And I also like to share the choices that I had to choose from, because with this bag you get to customize it a little bit. So if you guys want to see any of that, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, if you're new to the whole Ipsy world, this bag here costs $25 a month. You get 5 full-size beauty products with a retail value of $120 or more. And usually you get a really nice bang for your buck, like a really nice value with what you pick. And one thing that I love about Ipsy is that you're able to really customize your products. Out of your 5 products, you're able to customize 3 of them. They give you options to choose from based on a beauty profile that you fill out, and then you choose what you want. And I love doing that. That's my favorite part. Every month I wake up early and do that and enjoy it so much. Okay guys, so this is the little card this month. It looks like the theme this month is September 2021, back to work, school, or life, which makes a lot of sense. Similar to BoxyCharm's theme this month, which is BTS. Yeah, I feel like everyone's like back to regular life. When I'm filming this, it's the last day of summer, but it's already super like fall weather. And yeah, I like the cute little theme. And this is the bag. I think it's different and I like it. I don't know why. It actually reminds me sort of like a private school uniform. I swear. So for some reason, because the theme is like back to school, back to work, back to life, I don't know why it looks like a uniform to me, and I think it's cute. We get so many of these bags that I think it's nice to change it up and do something different, so I do like it. So I'm first going to show you the products that Ipsy chose for me, and then I'll do the makeup like tutorial at the end. Okay guys, so for my first product, Ipsy chose for me the Dragun Beauty Dragon Glass Matte Liquid Lip in Bad, B-I-T-C-H. That's what the packaging looks like. I've never tried Dragun Beauty's lipstick formula. I have a phone here reading the information to give you guys a little bit more detail about it. So this one looks like it retails for $18, and I believe it's a matte liquid lipstick. Looks like the shade is going to be pretty like soft. So let me open this up and show you guys what it looks like before I go ahead and try it out. The packaging is really pretty. I really like this packaging. I believe this is Nikita Dragun's brand, but I honestly don't know much about her. So smell does not smell bad. It's actually pretty pleasant. Reminds me, I don't know, it reminds me of like some certain liquid lipsticks that I've tried before that have sort of like a sweet vanilla scent to them, and that's what it looks like. That's a really pretty color, and yeah, that's really pretty. That's gonna be nice to try out with the look that I create today. And let's see what's next. The next product that Ipsy chose for me is a little eyeshadow palette that I'm so excited for. Is the Il Makiage Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Quad. Okay, that's what the packaging looks like. The only thing I've tried from Il Makiage was actually from Ipsy, my very first like Glam Bag Plus, at least on this account, because I had an account years ago from last summer, and it was like an individual shadow. They have really like nice and sturdy packaging. That's what this looks like. Really pretty and like good quality packaging. You get a really nice mirror, really cute mirror. Let me cover that up to show you guys the color story. It's a pretty simple color story, but I do feel like you can do a lot with this color story here. Like it's perfect for fall, for any time of the year, because you have something super dark, but then you have some really light colors. So you can change it up depending on what look you're going for. Just add a little bit of dark color to make things a little bit more dramatic. But if you want to just do something soft, use like the top 2 colors and you're good. I think it's a really pretty color story for such a small little palette, and I'm down to try it. So I'm excited to try that out. Now let's see what products I had to choose from. Like I said earlier, you're able to customize 3 out of your products, and I honestly had some awesome choices this month. I used to like months ago only get skincare, but in case you don't know, I prefer makeup. I love getting makeup, and I've been like customizing my profile. That didn't work. And I feel like rating the products that I receive either negatively if I don't enjoy them, or very positively if I love them, has really helped, because the last few months my bags have been amazing. Now for the first product that I was able to customize, I had the option of the Laura Geller Baked Blush, Dwara Skincare Radiance Enzyme Scrub, Contact Skin like nail polish set, Murad Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment, as well as the Feel Beauty Vitamin E Balm and the Koya Beauty Soak and Glow Face Cream. Some really pretty nice options in my opinion, and I really just had to choose that blush because I love blush and it just looks so pretty. This is the packaging. Really, really pretty packaging, and that kind of like marbleized look of a blush, I don't know why, it just really caught my attention and I'm so excited to try it out. So here's the actual compact. I thought it would be smaller, but it's a pretty nice size, and this is in the shade Tropic Hues. It's a baked blush, okay, and it has a tiny little mirror, yeah. And this is a close-up. It's a beautiful, beautiful blush. Let me actually like swirl it in my finger and swatch it to see how much color payoff we get. Okay, that's really, really pretty and like satiny. Like it's not super matte, it's not super shimmery either. That's pretty. I'm excited to try that out. And according to Ipsy, the retail value of that blush is $28. So that's really, really nice. And let's get to my second product. For my second product that I was able to customize, I had the option of the Galactic Glow on the Go in Jet Setter, Nabla Shine Theory Lip Gloss in Renaissance, YC Collection Stay Natural Liquid Blush Duo, and Kosas Lip Fuel Hyaluronic Lip Balm. It was so interesting, the options. I love them. I really wanted to choose that Kosas product. Also the liquid blush, oh my god, I almost chose it. For some reason, because of the rest of the products that I received, and I wanted to create like a cohesive makeup look today, I chose the lip gloss because I got the lipstick from Dragon Beauty and I really wanted to go ahead and get the gloss. So I made the decision just because of that, but I really wanted to try the other things. I'm just gonna make up my mind, but this is what it looks like. This is the Nabla Shine Theory Lip Gloss. Really pretty packaging too. All the packaging from all these products is really nice. Let me see what it looks like because we got like a pretty like mauvey pink liquid lipstick, so I wonder how this will pair together. Wow, that's just beautiful. Look how pretty that looks. So it's like a gold tone shimmery gloss. Let's see. Doesn't really have a scent. Oh, it does have a scent actually now. Maybe like sweet, but it's not like overpowering. That's what it looks like, pretty glossy, but we'll try it on the lips very soon. And according to Ipsy, this retails for $15. For my last and final product, I have the option of the Dragon Beauty Dragon Glass Matte Liquid Lip in Nikita, Contact Skin Matte Lipstick in Love Gun, and the Real Her Love What You Do Powder Brush, as well as the Shades by Shan Bronzer in Walnut. So I went with the bronzer because I was thinking of the makeup look. I wanted to create something kind of cohesive, and I thought, I have blush, I have a whole lip like look going on, an eyeshadow palette. So I went ahead and chose the bronzer just so I could try different products out for you guys. This is what it actually looks like. It's bigger than I expected it to be. And I actually love this packaging too. Really, really pretty like ombre effect packaging here. So you get a mirror in here too. And this is what the bronzer actually looks like. That might match me perfectly. And yeah, that was the last product. I loved it. Let's try the products out and then I'll give you guys my final like thoughts at the end. So we're gonna go with, I think, the bronzer first because I look so pale right now. So let me get some brushes and we'll get started. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this angled brush. This is the Shayna B Miami contour brush, and I'm gonna dip into the bronzer and I'm gonna place it, I always say that I do like a 3. So I go along my hairline and then go down towards under my cheek here and then my jawline. So I'm just gonna place it and then blend it out to make it look natural. Okay, so that turned out to be a little bit warmer than I expected to, but I'm gonna fix it. The excess powder I applied over my nose, and I really love the formula. It's really nice and nice to blend, but it's a little bit warm for me. Maybe I just went in with a like a heavy hand. So I'm gonna use this very fluffy powder brush, and I'm gonna go along here to make it more natural, like mix this in with all the bronzer that I over applied, and that should help to make things a little bit more natural. I have a new blush brush that I got last month from Complex Couture through Ipsy, so I'm excited to try it out today because I love these brushes. And let's go and dip right into it. I'm going to be gentle this time because I went way too overhanded with the bronzer. And I placed my blush kind of higher because I don't want to make my cheeks way too pink after I covered up my redness like with foundation. That is really pretty and like satiny, like it's pigmented, but it's not overly like too out there, too pink. But it's also like not super matte, so I think it looks really pretty, like a satin finish. Okay, so I think I really like the way that looks. We're gonna get to the eyeshadow. I don't know what I'm gonna create yet, but I'm gonna make it simple. So let me get some clean brushes. So I'm first applying some eyeshadow base. This is the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade white, and I'm gonna apply it using my finger to my lids. And I did put my hair up in case you noticed the little butterfly clips, because it was getting all over my face. So okay, we're going for something very simple today, and I'm just gonna go straight into the like the light shimmer and then the darker shimmer and see what happens. So I'm gonna go into this very pretty champagne-y color with a flat lid brush, and I'm gonna apply it to like the inner half of my lid. So let's see how this formula feels. So using the tip, I'm going along like the natural curve of my eyelid to make it prettier and more perfected first, and then I'll fill in. Oh, this is really pretty because it has sort of like a subtle like lavender look to it, I think. Do you see that? Or something like kind of rosy. So it's not like straight up champagne-y and like gold. It's really, really pretty actually. Okay, so now I'm gonna flip the brush over and I'm gonna dip into the darker shimmer in here. This one right here. I'm gonna dip into that. And I'm gonna apply it to the other half of my lid. And I'm also gonna blend it towards that lighter shade. Let me tap off the excess, that was a lot. So that they can kind of like blend together into each other and look more seamless and natural. Okay, so I love it so far, but I did get some fallout from the darker shimmer, so be gentle when you apply it. It's just me, I was being a little rough. I'm gonna use this small like blending brush. This is from Shayna B Miami as well. It's called Precision Blending Brush. And I'm gonna use that first matte color at the top, which looks like a mauve color to me. This one right here. And I'm using a small brush just to be more precise and to make sure that I don't get too crazy, because sometimes I apply way too much shadow, like too high up. So I'm gonna place that right where that shimmer kind of ends, and I'm just going to go very gently in tiny circular motions to blend, but also add a little dimension, because I want this color to be seen, but I don't want it to be like too crazy and too thick, like a thick line, you know? So I'm just gonna do circular motions and then back and forth a little bit, just playing with it until I like what it looks like, honestly. Okay, I love it so far. It's so pretty and soft, and I really enjoy it. So I'm gonna take a small angled brush like this one, dip into the darker shade here, which looks like a plum brown mix, and I'm gonna just attempt to do like a soft wing with this small angled brush. So I'm gonna hold my brush like so, and I'm gonna start underneath my lower lash line and then like flick up and create a very soft line so that if it's messy, we can clean it up. So starting down here, make sure actually that your brush is very saturated. And then I'm gonna do it gently first, and then I'm gonna fill in, do a line like on my eye and connect it to that wing. Very gently. You can make this soft or darker if you want. I actually love the contrast of that dark shadow because it's looking purple on top of the shimmers, and I think it's so pretty. And then using the tip of that angle brush, I'm going to go up and just make it a little bit more pointed and just more defined, and then make the end a little bit thicker to add a little drama. So I'm kind of looking down a little bit and then making this a little bit thicker just to make it stand out a little bit more. I am getting a little bit of fallout, which I will clean up. So if you prefer to do your eyes before the rest of your makeup, that might be nice. For me, it's kind of weird to do that, but I'm also going to use this underneath my lower lash line. So I'm going to first apply that and then clean up the mess. I'm also going to go into the darker shimmer here, the bronze looking color, and apply right in the front part of underneath my lower lash line. And mix it into that purple, because now it's looking very deep purple actually, like so purple, and I love it. And I'm going to apply the lighter color to my inner corner. And I think also to like underneath my brow bone. Let's see. That's a really pretty color. Okay guys, so we're gonna get to lipstick now. I applied some mascara. I decided not to wear lashes today, so I'm just gonna be home. But if you add some lashes, that will definitely make this look a little bit more dramatic. Now we're gonna go into the lipstick. And this is the Nikita Dragun lipstick. I forgot the shade. Bad, B-I-T-C-H. So I did kind of line my lips a little bit. And let's go ahead with the liquid lipstick. So I really like the way that it feels so far. I'm waiting to see when it dries. I think this is the perfect lipstick for this look because it's like a very soft look. I don't know, I think it's perfect. Everything that I picked out was so perfect. I love trying these makeup products out because I feel like sometimes when I don't try things out, I forget about them in my bags. I forget about some of the makeup products that I get in my bags. So I think I'm going to try to do this more often. Okay, now let's go in with the Nabla lip gloss. Wow, I love that. So the lipstick, I love the way that it feels so far. The gloss is extremely glossy, which is what I wanted. I wanted a gloss that felt more glossy than it did like glittery, which I have some that feel so glittery and I don't get like too much gloss, but this is what I wanted. I wanted it to be super glossy and it definitely delivered. I like the way that these two products look together. Okay guys, so I think that's the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I love it. I am so glad that I tried out these products because there's such a different color story to what I was expecting from that eyeshadow palette. This is so purple and lavender and it's so pretty. I love the lip products. I love the bronzer and the blush. Everything honestly really impressed me, and I give it up to Ipsy because this month they had awesome choices for me and I'm very happy. But you guys let me know in the comments what did you think about today's look and about the products that I received. What did you get in your bags? How do you feel about Ipsy this month? And that's going to be the end of today's video. Hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys. Mwah.